Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making lime cottage cheese fluff. This is a cool, creamy dessert salad that's slightly tangy. It's very easy to make. You combine cottage cheese with lime Jell-O, crushed pineapple, mini marshmallows, and whipped topping. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 2 cups of cottage cheese and 1 3-ounce package of lime Jell-O. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Then add 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple that's been drained very well. Now stir this together. Then add 1 cup of mini marshmallows and stir together. Finally, add 1 8-ounce container of frozen whipped topping thawed and gently fold it in. Now, just cover this and chill this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. And here it is, lime cottage cheese fluff. And you can change up this recipe by using different flavors of Jell-O and different fruits. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Kitchen. Crushed pineapple, whipped topping, and marshmallow. No! Whipped topping, marshmallows. I just said 4? There's 5. What'd I miss? Cottage cheese, lime Jell-O, crushed pineapple, whipped. Oh no. I'll try again. I think I left an ingredient out. I'll have to count it. Cottage cheese. Lime Jell-O. Add 1 8-ounce package container of frozen whipped topping fold. Fold it. Last ingredient. I can't get it. Finally. Wait. Finally. And you can change up this recipe by using different flavors of different, oh my gosh, what the world?